Hi everyone, this is Zuno from WEIDAN. If you're considering garage floor tiles but wondering whether and why you need them, then this is what we're gonna explore in this video, as a quick rundown of pros and cons of this popular flooring option. One of the biggest advantages is that garage floor tiles are extremely durable. They're built to withstand heavy traffic, resistant to staining and fading, and easy to clean and maintain. Another plus is that garage floor tiles offer wide choice in colors and patterns. You can easily find tiles that mimic the look of wood, metal, or even stone. You can even go all out for custom flooring design. One potential downside of garage floor tiles is that they usually cost more than other flooring options. Another possible downside is that some garage floor tiles can become slippery when they get wet. But options with anti-slip surfaces are available. They might also come at higher cost. So before a final decision, make sure you do the research and have a clear idea on budget and purpose. Overall, garage floor tiles are definitely worth investment in the long run if you factor in durability, easy maintenance, and custom flooring design. That is why you need them, especially when you want to minimize care and strength in makeover, cleanup, and maximize the look of your space.